morning everyone. My name is Sai Sagar. I am studying in 7th grade. Today my topic is study of inscriptions and coins. The Halmidi inscription. The Halmidi inscription is the oldest known Kannada language inscription in the Kadamba script. While it estimates very slightly, the inscription of often dated between 450 CE to 500 CE. It is believed that the Halmidi inscription already written during the king of Kadamba king Kakutsa Varman. The inscription was discovered in 1936 by Dr. M.H. Krishna, the director of archaeology, the princely state of Mysore, present day Karnataka region of the India in a village Hassan district. Coins are the major archaeological source of history. Coins convey information about language, economic conditions, and rulers who minted those coins. First, coins are made up of scraps. Of metal by hitting an hammer position and anvil. The four main coins: penny, nickel, dime, quarter. Thank you.